Hello everyone, welcome back to Radharani's kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Methi Matar Malai without onion and garlic. So let's see how to make it. So let's start making Methi Matar Malai. For that, here I have a small pan which I've heated to roast a few spices. Here I have 2 cloves, 1-inch piece of cinnamon stick, about 5 black peppercorns. Then I have 2 black cardamoms. So we'll roast all of this well. So once your spices are roasted, you can cool them in a separate container and you can grind them to a fine powder. So let's begin blanching our vegetables. For that, here I have a pot to which I'm adding about 3/4 cup of hot water. Now to this I'm adding 1 cup of green peas. You can use fresh green peas or frozen green peas. Next I have 1 bunch of methi leaves or fenugreek leaves. These are actually bigger version of the methi leaves. So I have washed them really well, just taken the leaf and not the stalk, and I have chopped them roughly. So we'll add this also into the hot water. So here is a quick tip. So just add a pinch of baking soda. So this will help in retaining the green color of the leaves. Otherwise, when you blanch them, they usually tend to turn black. So we'll mix the baking soda into the water. After you have mixed, let's just put the lid and let it cook on a medium flame for about 5 minutes. So 5 minutes are up, and now let's just check on our leaves, and we'll also check if the peas is boiled. So yes, everything is boiled, and now we will strain this. If you like the bitterness of the methi leaves, then you can use it along with the water. If you do not want the bitterness of the methi leaves, then you can strain the water. The choice is completely yours. So let's move on to the final preparation of the gravy. Here I have a kadai to which I've heated up 2 tablespoons of oil. To this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, then a pinch of Asafoetida or hing, for the powder spices I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, I am just sauteing those powder spices in the oil. Make sure that your flame is low so that the spices don't burn. Here I have the ground spice powder which we had prepared initially. So I'm adding that as well. Now we'll mix everything well together. Next I'm going to add the gravy's base, the tomato puree. So in the tomato puree I have added about 3 to 4 medium sized tomatoes, 1-inch piece of ginger and 3 to 4 green chilies and about 10 to 15 cashews. So adding cashews makes the gravy extremely creamy, and you can add the number of chilies depending on your spice preferences. So we'll combine this well with the masalas which we had roasted. Now we shall cook this for about 5 minutes on a medium flame by covering it with the lid until the oil separates from the gravy. So I have my roasting pan again. to which I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of ghee. And once the ghee melts, I have about 10 to 15 cashews. I'm going to roast them till it turns brown. So this is an optional step. If you do not wish to add roasted cashews, you can completely skip it. So once the cashews turn golden brown, you can remove them and keep it aside. So 5 minutes are up. Now let's check on our gravy. So the oil has released in the sides. Let's mix everything really well. And then to this I'm adding about 1/3 cup of water. Next I'm adding salt and just a little bit of sugar to balance the flavors. Now I'm going to add the blanched methi leaves and the green peas. Combine them extremely well. And now comes the most important part, adding the cream. So what I'm doing here is I'm switching my flame off before I add my cream, because according to Ayurveda we have to not heat the cream. So once we have completed cooking, then we shall add cream just before serving. So here I'm adding about half cup of fresh cream. So using homemade cream enhances the taste, but you can also use store-bought cream. Now let's mix it really well. After you have mixed it well, we shall garnish this with the roasted cashews. So our Methi Matar Malai is now ready to be served. You can serve this with jeera rice or tandoori roti as per your choice. If you liked watching our video, please press the like button, comment your views in the comment section below, and don't forget to share this video with all the friends you know. Also, please subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video, you do not miss it. Thank you so much for watching.